Alright guys, so this video is going to be another get ready with me, unedited. Hold on. Right, unedited with Jonathan here with me. I have my brush folio. I am in love with this thing, you guys. If you guys follow me on Snapchat, you guys have been seeing my brush folio all over the place. I'm just gonna set up. Today is Jonathan's birthday. He is all of 2. Jonathan, how old are you? How old are you? Yeah, 2. Good job. 2. 2. 2. 2. Yeah, 2. Alright, so today is going to be a full-on glam. I feel like I'm wasting time. I should have fixed up my brush folio before. Yeah. So, okay, there we go. And I think I'm gonna get a bit more comfortable. So hold on. Yeah, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Why am I not organized? Oh gosh, this video is going on long enough. Jonathan, do not do that. Let's get this. Oh gosh, I left my mirror. Alright, so I have to use my big mirror. Alright, so this is going to be chit chat get ready with me. And I think I should say this. I first heard about chit chat get ready with me through Shana XO. Guys, I don't know, hopefully I can zoom in on this. This thing says Air Main, right? And then this one says Air Woman, but it looks as if it's the same company. It looks as if it's the same company, but you can't pass. Papa, you must say excuse. You can't pass. But you have one bum. What happened? What happened? Look, the camera is there. See the camera? Come on the bed. Come. Come on my back. Come on back. Oh no. Papa, come now. Jonathan, why you behave so now? Jonathan, look how long you snap over the say never want pass. Why as me start recording I say excuse? Go for your juice. Go for your juice from Gigi. So I give you some juice. You want some snack? You want your snack? Juice. Yeah, go for your juice from Gigi. Have your juice in the kitchen. Oh, yeah. Gigi, have your juice in the kitchen. Go for your juice. Your juice and a snack. You want cashew? Cashew. Okay, go for it now from Gigi. Go on. Yeah, Gigi, have it. Gigi, have no. Alright, so I'm trying to draw my brows as neatly as possible since of late. So I don't have to spend much time cleaning them up. But it's like 6 of one, half nose of the other, as we say here in Jamaica. Meaning, even if I don't spend time cleaning them up, I'm going to spend time trying to draw them on straight. So this is my black opal toast. I'm going to use it to clean up my brows. Yellow, I'm like the sun. Okay, so I see some of you guys not really clocking me, but like, yes, lyrics, sing those ABC. Jonathan, what happened? What happened? Jonathan, you cannot pass. You keep on saying excuse, but you cannot pass. I like the sky. We go for your juice from Gigi. Papa, you go for your juice from Gigi. Where's it? Never go for your juice from Gigi. Ask Gigi for juice. Alright guys, so I don't know if you guys follow Sandra Deluxe. I didn't watch the video, I just saw like the thumbnail, but do you see that her brows look different? I'm just like, okay, they look way natural, which if that's what you're into, then fine, but I like when my brows are in my bald now. I like when my brows look like art. When I watch her video, hopefully she did the brows in that video. When I watch it, I'm gonna see if I can try it, because it looked like hairs, like brow hairs, unless she has grown her, she grew out her brows and that's her actual brows. I don't know. I'm gonna cry upon Gigi now. Oh my god, 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Oh god, I'm gonna come back. What happened? You get your juice? You get your juice? Come here, come here. Come here, Papito, come here. He's fine. I almost went for him a while ago, but then I figured that if he had seen me, he would probably start crying. Let him stop crying. I wanted my brows to have an arch. Oh my god, are you serious? Boy, oh boy. I swear, my brows take the most time whenever I'm doing my makeup. They consume my time. And sometimes they're not even, but I'm over them and I'm just like, what else? Ain't nobody perfect, boo-boo. So this is my Shades by Gal medium neutral concealer. Jonathan, what for slippers you have on? You see your face? Look at your face. It's whose slippers? It's mommy's slippers you have on? Oh, yes guys. That was Milo. Melissa, someone stop asking Milo. No, me see him a joke. You guys do ask for him on my snap. Alright. I'm sleepy. That's weird. Guys, I'm so sorry my brows are taking so long. That's why sometimes I skip out my brows, you know, or I speed it up, because my brows legit take the longest for me to do. Whose shoes you have on? Yes, it's mommy's slippers you have on. You have on mommy's slippers. Yeah, you're in my shoes. Yes, you're in my shoes. Yeah, you're in my shoes. So guys, I've been talking a tough game, right? Like all of last week, I was like, yo, I'm sorry for you when my brows are uneven, by the way, but whatever. And I was like, yo, I'm sorry for you when you reach 2, not get no more. You know what? I'm sorry for you when you reach 2. Me brought it. You know, as I look about up me this morning, I told them in the pan, back and forth. And I'm like, you're such a weak woman. How you make your just now 2-year-old, a body up for you know what? And I can't even call the word because he knows the word. So the minute I say the word, he's going to go, oh, is it that time already? And watch him. And I don't think he, ouch, I don't think, what is it? You gonna give me a kiss? Can I get a kiss? Jonathan, no. Jonathan, no. Mommy working. Where's this snack from? Gigi never gave you a snack. Gigi didn't give you a snack. Gigi, I feel like it understand me and say, yeah, try grow on me. Yeah, grow on me. Yeah, grow on me. Don't go on me now. Don't go on me now. Alright, this brow is shorter. Yes, it drop. It drop. It drop. It drop. Jonathan. Stop. Christ. Yes. Guys, oh my god. Sometimes I'm uncomfortable whenever I film this. Even though you guys love it. And if you guys love it, then that's good. But sometimes whenever I film these videos, I cringe whenever I'm watching it, like, or I have to edit it, because I'm like, oh, I wish I could edit out that, edit out that. But I'm telling you, it is just like this when I'm getting ready with Jonathan. And a lot of you can appreciate it, and I can appreciate that you appreciate it. So there, we appreciate each other. Alright, he's behind me and I have no idea what he's doing. And I am low-key, high carefree to look. Oh, thank you. Looks like it's my Pome brush in pH 432. You're on your phone? You're on your phone? Yeah, hello. 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 Okay. So what am I gonna do now is that I'm gonna do glitter. And I did this glitter yesterday and I loved it. Alright, but first, before I do glitter, I'm going to do my eye makeup. So I'm going to grab my Saharan palette from Juvia's Place. Jonathan is having a full-on conversation. My 224, my MAC 224. Then going in with Jamila, this color here. I'm gonna see if my catch-up mirror here, so I'm gonna come true for me. Come true, catch-up mirror, come true. Alright. And I may or may not do glitter. Screw it, I'ma do glitter. To set my brow bone I'm going to be going in with my Sasha Buttercup, and I got a brand new Sasha Buttercup yesterday at Fontana because my other one finished, and I had no idea I used Buttercup so heavily until I had none left. I was like, my girl, what are you doing? What are you doing? Alright, this brow needs to be pointed because it's not. What? What? So today, which is the day you're watching it, which for me is tomorrow, I am going to be doing my mother's makeup, and that will be my video that you're going to be seeing tomorrow on Mother's Day. So I'm going to film that and upload that. Plus I already have pre-recorded videos that will be going up for this week. Where's it? My 224. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my NUME palette, the very first one, and I'm going in with this color here. And that's going to be going in my crease. I'm looking at him to see what he's doing. He seems to be okay. Nothing I got to talk to him. Next thing he feel like say. Alright, so then I'm going to go in with this dark brown right there, and go into my crease as well. I find that whenever I do my eyeshadow first, then put the glitter on, everything, it's just more seamless. When I do the glitter first, then eyeshadow, it tends to be a little bit all over the place, and I don't like that. So I'm going in with this color here. It's called Chad, and I'm still using my 224. Still using my 224. I'm just going back and forth. You know what I want to do? Another no mirror makeup challenge, but this time I want to do eyes, because I feel like I can do eyes really nicely for a no mirror makeup challenge. My only thing is I wouldn't know how much I'm adding or not adding. I'll just have a general idea of placement. Then I'm going to be taking this, it's a Motives brush, and it's just called Shadow. You rotten chat. Alright, I'm coming. You put it on? Take it off? Come, take it off? No, sorry. I'm sorry. I thought you wanted to take it off. You want me to take it off? Jonathan, my low-key, high-key don't know what you want. Alright, I'll come. I'll come. Oh, what is? Oh, wait, lift up your hand. Hands up, hands up. Both hands, both hands. I never know, say, you want to put it on, you there, ball. You want breath? Wow. Alright, here. Come put it on. Rotted, no one put it on. Oh no, Jonathan, you drop it. Come here. Hey, see it on the camera? You see the camera? Hey, don't slap it. Don't do that. Do not do that. I am coming. Oh my God. Yes. Embrace. Brother, adapt me a go for. Oh my Lord. How am I going to win you? But where's the pillow? A pillow. A pillow. A pillow. A pillow. A pillow. Then this color up here. Listen, I don't know what is what is it with me and these oranges? I've been using a lot of oranges lately, like a lot of oranges, like lately, and I don't know what it is, baby. Alright, that's too high up on my brow bone. Let's see if I can get a thin brow. Okay, then I'm going to go in. I wish I had a white. Okay, I have a white eyeshadow. None of these palettes don't have a white eyeshadow. Alright, I think in every palette you should have a white eyeshadow and a black. Alright, so I'm going to take Ivy from the Too Faced Nikki Tutorials collaboration, and then apply on my brow bone to lighten up that area. Ush, ush, ush. So just put on both sides. Alright, ease up, sit up, and put the put on your head. I just put on both sides a while ago, and now I'm going to go in with my, where's my glitter? Oh, this is the glitter I'll be using. It's from It Just. Yo, my camera keeps on stopping. I'm going to be using Kiza from It Just Locks. It's like a gunmetal color. Lash glue to adhere the glitter. And of course, whenever you're working with glitter, whenever you are working with glitter, you must be careful, because it will get into your eye. It can scratch your cornea, so be careful. I hope I said that word right, because I would not be editing this video. Jesus Christ, I want to sleep. So I'm going to wet with my spit, because I might want to put this book over Jonathan, then apply. Stop, Jonathan, stop. Then apply Kiza. Alright, I'm pretty sure I have glitter on my child. Alright, cool. Whew, so, you alright? You alright? You alright? Okay. So I'm going to add some more. Nah. Then I'm using the handle to spread the glue. I would normally use the brush, and then one day I was like, oh gosh, my nails too long, I can't use my nails to spread the glue. And then I just flipped the brush around. I was like, oh, I could start using the brush to spread the glue. Alright. Where's my glitter book? You alright, Papa? You alright? I still come. You hear? I still come. Mommy, Sue come. I'm going to put this book on here. Wait now, Sue finish. Alright. Now you guys must be wondering why am I putting spit on my brush. So that when I dip my brush into the glitter, more of the glitter adheres to the brush. And for those of you who do not like me but stay on my video because you have a mental issue, you may say I'm nasty, but you cannot tell me that you do not have anything of yours that you don't put a spit pan. Everything my spit go pan belongs to me, and that's why I never I only share my makeup with my friends, because I'm not going to put anything I use in my makeup artist kit stays in my makeup. I just blending this out, stays in my makeup artist kit. I do not, I repeat, I do not like share products. I don't share products. I do not. What's in my kit is in my kit. What's in my makeup artist kit is in my makeup artist kit. You guys will not believe, but my eyebrow is sweating. Well, not my eyebrow, my skin. But you guys, you know what I mean? Like, the skin where my eyebrow is, where the skin where I drew my eyebrow is sweating. Not sure why. I'm very uncertain as to why. Alright. Okay, I wish I had tape to like take this off, but I'm gonna look some tape to just take this glitter off me. Oh no, he's sleeping. Well, he's falling asleep. Alright, so I'm not going to do that now because he's falling asleep. I'm gonna want him to wake up. I wish I could stop this video, but if I move him, go wake up. Mama! Alright, like, make her just move her. Oh, I wish I could show you guys him. He's sleeping. I'm trying to turn off the camera. Alright, so Jonathan is sleeping on his birthday. But time sleep, no more him sleep for hours, because while he's doing that I can just edit some videos. Well, edit this video, so I can have it for tomorrow, to upload for tomorrow. And hey, stay. Alright, so for the duration of this video I will not be talking. I like how my eyes turned out. Yes, so I won't be talking. Wait, let me see if I can put a little bit of this eclipse on my brow bone. Jesus Christ, come on, here. Alright, so let's continue with no talking but the tutorial. Let me see if I can just talk. I am going to be using my alright, I'm going to switch and try another primer. I'm going to try the primer with my LA Girl Pro Coverage HD Foundation. This is Makeup Forever Skin Equalizer. Alright, I don't know if you guys are annoyed. Oh gosh, my battery is dying. So I'm just going to put on my foundation, and I'm going to use 3 pumps and 3 pumps only. Then for my highlights, I'll be using Fawn. I'm gonna come back and tell you guys because my battery's dying. So this is 3 pumps of the LA Pro Coverage Foundation. 3 pumps only. I am in Toast. I did a video on it, but it's going to be live next week. But what I didn't mention in the video is that if you have oily skin, this will not work for you. You can try it with a matte primer, but I wouldn't recommend it if you have oily skin. But I have normal to oily skin, so let's see if I can continue without my thing shutting off. I'm going in with my Fawn as well as my Fawn as well as my LA Girl Pro Contour Cream in Deep. So I'm going to do Fawn first. Alright, 1, 2, 3. So I'm trying to preserve my battery because for me to charge it now, I'm going to take it off. Oh gosh, it's flashing again. Alright, so Fawn, then my LA Girl, this. Alright, so I have on my Fawn. So I'm going to go in with this, the Deep, and I put it over Fawn. But look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Then I'm going in with my e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush, and I'm using the darker side to do my contouring, and my battery is going off again. So I'm going to do my face, forehead, nose, and my jaw. Alright, my Sasha Buttercup powder. I'm sorry I keep going in and out because I'm trying to finish this video and my battery flashing again and do my makeup. So I'm using my Sasha Buttercup now, and I'll be setting my contour areas with the LA Pro Contour Powder Highlight in Deep as well. So the cream was in Deep, and now the powder highlight is going to be in Deep as well. Alright guys, on my lips I'm wearing Vampire from Care Cosmetics. My lashes are Fashionista lashes from my line. The highlight is Eclipse by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Oh, thanks for watching. Yes, Jonathan is clearly up. Say hi. Hi. Say hello. Say thank you. Thank you. Say hallelujah. Jesus. No, Jesus. Hallelujah. Done. Guys, thank you so much for those of you who wished Jonathan a happy birthday today on Snapchat. Really means a lot to us. And for those of you who sent video snaps, he responded via video when he felt like responding.